Welcome to Alvinsa Studio, your destination for smart design and inspiring tiny living. Today, we're exploring a 450 square foot tiny house that's turning heads and winning hearts. Stylish, spacious, and full of charm, this stunning Airbnb proves that small can still feel grand. From its clever layout to its modern finishes, this tiny home is designed for comfort, relaxation, and unforgettable stays. Whether you're dreaming of a weekend getaway or planning your own compact home, this is one space you won't want to miss. Join us as we take a closer look, only here on Alvinsa Studio. Welcome to Texas Tiny Cabins situated on 40 acres in North Texas. Whether you're seeking a romantic getaway, a family adventure, or a peaceful solo retreat, this cabin provides the perfect setting for your vacation and features views of downtown Denison, modern amenities, and the peace and quiet you've been longing for. Just a 2-mile drive to downtown Denison, an 8-mile drive to Lake Texoma, and an 18-mile drive to Choctaw Casino and Resort. Experience this Texas Tiny Cabins. Bedroom 1. Stylish and cozy bedroom, designed with your comfort and convenience in mind, featuring a luxurious queen bed and a 65-inch high-definition TV. Keep your belongings organized and easily accessible with our sturdy luggage rack and dedicated spot to hang clothes. No need to live out of your suitcase. Stay cool and comfortable with our powerful fan, providing a refreshing breeze during warmer months. Our blackout curtains ensure a restful sleep by blocking out unwanted light and providing added privacy. Bedroom 2. Open loft featuring a spacious and airy layout, creating a seamless flow between the living and sleeping area. The high ceilings and abundant natural light add to the sense of space and tranquility. Whether you're catching up on sleep or lounging with a good book, indulge in the ultimate comfort on our king-size mattress. Spacious shower with a peaceful rainfall shower head. The additional handheld attachment provides added convenience and flexibility. Pamper yourself with our selection of bath amenities, including shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. We also provide gentle baby soap, catering to guests traveling with infants or young children. For your convenience, a high-quality blow dryer and a well-equipped first aid kit is readily available. Sink into the comfort of our luxurious leather couch after a day of exploring. It's not just a place to sit, it's a spot to unwind, chat, or catch up on your favorite shows. Speaking of shows, enjoy movie nights or binge-watch your favorite series on the 65-inch high-definition TV. Our stylish coffee table serves as a central gathering point, perfect for enjoying a morning cup of coffee or sharing evening drinks with friends. There you will also find a curated selection of books written by a local author. A fully equipped kitchen makes cooking a breeze, including pots, pans, cooking utensils, knives, cutting boards, and more. From breakfast to dinner, you'll find everything you need right at your fingertips. Gather around our sleek kitchen island, where you'll find 4 comfortable bar stools, perfect for enjoying meals, sipping coffee, or simply chatting with friends and family. Kickstart your morning with our complimentary coffee selection, featuring a variety of brews to suit your taste. We've thoughtfully stocked the kitchen with essential pantry items such as salt, pepper, oil, spices, and more, making meal preparation hassle-free. For your convenience, a washer and dryer are available in the kitchen area, allowing you to keep your clothes clean and fresh throughout your stay. Gather around the solo stove on our front porch and experience the warmth and ambiance of a crackling fire, perfect for chilly evenings or cozy conversations under the stars. Dine in style at our outdoor dining table, thoughtfully positioned to offer panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Challenge your friends or family to a friendly game of hook and ring right outside the front door, or swing your cares away on our charming hanging porch swing. Unwind and recharge in one of the many hammocks scattered throughout the property. Whether you prefer sun-soaked relaxation or a shady retreat, our hammocks provide the perfect spot to kick back and enjoy nature. For the BBQ enthusiasts, take advantage of our custom-built smoker and impress your guests with delicious smoked meats and veggies. Gather with friends, family, or fellow guests at one of our several picnic tables scattered throughout the property. Whether you're planning a BBQ feast, a picnic lunch, or an evening under the stars, our picnic tables provide the perfect setting for outdoor dining and relaxation. Located just a short stroll down the hill, our private naturally stocked pond offers a setting where guests can relax, unwind, fish, and enjoy the great outdoors. This little row of tiny homes is a slice of tranquility. a modern and clean space with a gorgeous view. We really loved how minimal and clean the space was, while also appreciating that the houses are nestled in a quiet wooded area with a view. We were able to relax, unwind, rest, read, and enjoy sunrises and sunsets. The icing on the cake was the porch space with a swing and a solo stove for evening fires. Thank you for joining us on this tour of a truly spacious and stunning 450 square foot tiny house Airbnb. This cozy retreat shows us that great design isn't measured in square footage, but in comfort, creativity, and the feeling of home. If this tiny house captured your heart, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more beautiful homes and smart design ideas from around the world. Until next time, keep dreaming big no matter the size, only on Alvinsa Studio.